Hello guys, today we come with a new video and our today's topic of discussion is Kreb cycle. Today I will discuss with you all the mnemonics for Kreb cycle and how to remember Kreb cycle. Kreb cycle हमारा वो टॉपिक होता है जो हम बार बार याद करने के बाद फिर भी भूल जाते हैं. So it is better to understand and remember it with a mnemonic so you can easily remember it during your exams or MCQs. So let's see the mnemonics or easy way to remember Krebs cycle. First of all, you all should know what is Krebs cycle. So थोड़ा सा overview मैं दे दूँ Krebs cycle का, then we will go towards the mnemonics. सबसे पहले हमारे पास ऑक्जेलो एसीटेट आता है. ऑक्जेलो एसीटेट जो है वो एसिटाइल कोलिन के साथ मिलकर क्या बनाता है? सिट्रिक एसिड. ओके, ये सिट्रिक एसिड देन कन्वर्ट होता है हमारे पास आइसोसिट्रिक एसिड में. आइसोसिट्रिक एसिड जो है वो NAD प्लस की मदद से NADH बनाता है और खुद कन्वर्ट हो जाता है अल्फा कीटोग्लूट्रिक एसिड में. देन अल्फा कीटोग्लूट्रिक एसिड इज कन्वर्टेड टू सक्सिनाइल कोए बाय एलिमिनेटिंग द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. देख सकते हैं आप कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड यहाँ पे निकल रहा है इस रिएक्शन में, एंड इट टेक्स NAD प्लस and convert it into NADH. This succinyl CoA is converted into succinate. Now succinate is converted into fumarate. Here FAD is converted into FADH2. This fumarate is converted into malate. Here water is eliminated. This malate is again converted to oxaloacetate and NAD plus is converted to NADH in this reaction. So this is the whole Krebs cycle, and it will become too difficult to remember all the names of the intermediates, so we often forget the names. Here is a short mnemonic so you can remember Krebs cycle easily. Now see what is the mnemonics. Mnemonics is Catherine Aunt in Karachi see special child monthly. Okay, this is a sentence you should remember. Okay, cram this sentence and you will remember the whole Krebs cycle. Now see, Catherine is started from C. Citric acid is also started from C. So Catherine is a mnemonic for citric acid. Aunt is a mnemonic for Aunt is a mnemonic for acid. C is for citric, aunt is for acid. Okay, next is isocitric acid. Isocitric acid in for isocitric acid. Now K, Karachi for ketoglutric acid. Alpha ketoglutric acid is a mnemonic for Karachi. C, S, succinyl CoA, special is for succinate. Then Fudge F is for fumarate and M monthly is for malate. So this is the mnemonics so you can remember the Krebs cycle without any difficulty. Uh, Below you can see a chart. The products of Krebs cycle we often ask about the products of Krebs cycle. So in Krebs cycle, 2 ATP is formed. ATP is an energy containing product. Okay, 2 NADH is formed. 2 FADH2 is formed and 6 carbon dioxide is also formed in Krebs cycle. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and share it with your friends so they can get the maximum benefits. And also like the video. Thank you.